We are going to see one program for generating a pattern, which is a format. First row which contains 1, the second row 2, 2, third row 3, 3, and fourth row 4, 4. And so this is also similar to the program which was explained previously. It is kind of a table, and I represent rows and J represent columns. What is the value of I and J of which represent first row, and J represent first column, second column, third column, and fourth column. This is how. And in the same place only, that is colors highlighted in red color alone, these places the values are going to be printed. So the condition is j less than or equal to I. So when I and j values are equal, that cell is also considered. When a j value which is less than I, those cells are also considered. All other cells are ignored. So you are going to write two for loops for navigating with the rows and and to the columns, and then you are going to print the value of here. When you look at the values are like 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and 4, 4. So which value which contains 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and 4, 4, that is I value. So you're going to navigate inside this loop and you're going to print only the I value. So in the programming part, you are going to declare two variables. One is required for the first row and the second variable is for columns, and you're mentioning the number of rows. So that is where rows, one more variable is needed. Now you ask the user to enter how many number of rows they want to generate this pattern, and read this with the help of the scanf function. And in the scanf function, the first part is the access specifier, the second part is the variable name and with the ampersand symbol which represents the address of the variable. Now this is over, then you can start writing the for loop. So it starts with 1 and I less than or equal to rows I plus plus. So it starts from first row and it ends with how many rows the user entered. Then navigate inside the column. So it starts with j equal to 1 and the condition is j less than or equal to I. In those places alone, we are going to generate the pattern. So j plus plus. The next inside this for loop, we are going to print, that is the value of I. So the access specifier comma I value, when you print, you will get this pattern. After completion of first row, you just bring the next value from the next row onward. So for that you need a insert n after the completion of inner for loop. And when you execute, you can able to check the results. It's asking for number of rows, and if you enter 5 rows, it's generating the pattern as it is expected. So it is printing the value of 5, so that's why you're getting this value.